I welcome you all again on e-learning session of our college, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. And today I will conduct a lecture on business communication and management for BCom third sem. As you all are aware that we are on the verge of the end points of our syllabus 4. Earlier we have seen what is the role of MS Word, MS Excel in business communication. Rather, why there is a need of MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. See, all these are the applications. MS means Microsoft applications. Why we are using? We are means why the businessmen are using, why they are adopting such applications. When you talk about use of computers, then obviously you want some platform. Okay, if you want to correspond with the other companies, then you have to send your letters, your emails with the help of computers. And when we say that our company is completely digital, or we are using computers in our system, it means what? You have to correspond, you have to send all your letters, every correspondence is taking place with the help of these different applications. And what are these different applications? MS Word, MS Excel and PowerPoint. Because our syllabus is limited up to these three applications only. So earlier we have gone through in detail with MS Word, MS Excel, and even we have seen the introduction meaning of MS PowerPoint. What is MS PowerPoint? Again, it is a presentation application. MS PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint means the work which is done by any organization, or if they want to present their work, what kind of company they are dealing with, what is their type of business, everything can be shown, everything can be presented with the help of different videos, different images and different slides, and that is called presentation. It means what? You are presenting your business, the business material, the kind of business, the business activity which is dealing by a businessman is expressed with the help of different videos, and these videos are made in the form of presentations, and the presentations in the form of videos are supplied, or we can say that these are advertised to the other business units, to the other business organizations, so that the business customer base can be increased, the more business can be attracted with the help of MS PowerPoint presentation. Now earlier we have seen what is MS Word. If you want to send any letter, if you want to send the data which is bulk in quantity, then such things can be typed, such things can be accumulated in MS Word, and the data can be saved with the help of different files which you can prepare in MS Word. These documents can be saved in MS Word. The data will be there included in MS Word, and everything in the letter, email or other information which is related to the business, say quotations, work orders, everything which are prepared and sent to the other business units in MS Word file. Okay, then we have seen MS Excel. What is Excel and the use of MS Excel in financial analysis? As the business world, the corporate business is growing and increasing. Okay, in that case, MS Excel is also playing a very important role. Okay, then for calculation purpose, for different kind of charts like pie chart, line chart, bar chart, scatter chart, all kinds of charts can be prepared in MS Excel, and these charts or calculations, mathematical calculations which a business is required, those things can be made, can be prepared in MS Excel. It means what? For documentation purpose, MS Word is suitable. For calculation purpose, for different kinds of presentation in charts, then MS Excel is advisable, or even for the reportings. Okay, to generate the report, maybe the financial reports, administrative reports, MS Excel also can be used, that we have seen earlier. Okay, then here today we will see the role of PowerPoint presentation. At the same time, what are the advantages or features of MS PowerPoint? So coming to that, advantages and features of MS PowerPoint. It is simple, bullets, designs shall be used for the presentation. As we have discussed, if a businessman, the business is presented with the help of videos, then while preparing those videos, what can be done or what are the facilities which are there in MS PowerPoint presentation. There you can use simple bullets, designs shall be used for the presentation to make the presentation more attractive, to grab the more customers. What the businessman will do, they will prepare their presentation with simple bullets, simple designs, attractive designs, so that the business can be increased. With the help of good presentation, the videos which are prepared for the presentation purpose must use simple bullets, simple designs, so that the video, the complete information should be together in a single video. That video is kind of a trademark for that business, and on the base of that business, on the base of those videos, more and more business can be attracted. So second point is easy to create colorful, attractive designs. MS PowerPoint gives you that facility. Different videos are prepared, and in that PowerPoint presentation, you can use different images, different slides in that PowerPoint presentation, and to make that presentation attractive, rather not only attractive but to make that presentation more effective, what a presenter can do, the person who is preparing that presentation, he or she has to use the colorful themes, the different slides, images which are related to the presentation, so that the presentation will be more and more easy and attractive, and that will again bring the more business for the businessman. Then third is easy to modify. The presentation which is prepared, and before presenting to the other business units, before presenting that video to the another person, that should be, means the presentation should be such that if some modifications are required, then it should be easy to modify. Then next is length of the presentation. How long? Okay. See, when something is presented, okay, then that should be small. The length of the presentation should not be big. If the presentation is of 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes, then nobody is going to watch that video. Everything should be covered in minimum time, okay, maximum attraction with the minimum words, so that the presentation will be attractive and the maximum information should be included in that videos. So the length of the presentation also makes the difference while bringing the more customer base or to attract the persons or the other business units. So these are some of the, we can say these are the features, at the same time advantages. If the presentation is made with the help of PowerPoint, then what are the advantages or what are the features of MS PowerPoint? Then our next topic as per the syllabus is use of PowerPoint presentation in business meetings. Again, just now we have discussed that the videos which are prepared for the presentation purpose, it means the video which is ready to announce, to advertise in the market. Many of the times you have seen that the advertisement of a particular company, maximum times FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, they are giving their advertisements maybe in the newspaper, maybe in the television, so that maximum information is covered in minimum words, okay. So if a businessman have to give their presentations in the business meeting, okay, there is a supplier, there is other persons with whom the businessman has to present his videos or he has to give his presentation, then what care should be taken by the persons in the presentation? So use of PowerPoint presentation in business meetings. So identify the good features of presentation. The idea, the main topic, the subject of the presentation. So identify the good features of the presentation. Before preparing the presentation, the person who is preparing that video, who is involved in the preparation of the presentation, he must have the complete idea about the subject, topic of the presentation. So first of all, identify the good features of the presentation. Obviously, the videos which are going to be prepared, that should be correct and according to the subject matter of the presentation. So, first of all, identify the good features of the presentation. Then identify the purpose, type of the companies and basis of presentation. With whom you are presenting, what type of business of a person to whom in the business meeting the presentation has to be presented. That should be considered before giving the presentation. So identify the purpose, for what reason the presentation is prepared, why and with whom, that is the type of the companies with where the presentation is going to be presented and message of presentation. Everything matters. Okay, your complete idea, the information why your company is doing that particular business activity must be involved in that single presentation. So before preparing the presentation in the PowerPoint, identify the purpose, the type of the company, it means with whom in the business meeting the managers are going to give their presentation, that should be known. At the same time, message of the presentation. What exactly just now I have told, the subject matter, the clear idea of the type of presentation. Then create presentation intended. Intended means the presentation should be planned for the business meeting. Okay, before giving the presentation. Okay, it is not like that there is a business meeting after 1 hour and you are preparing your presentation before 1 hour. That is not correct. Okay, that is the very incorrect form. So it must be planned, it must be intended that the presentation which is going to be presented in front of the business meeting, the person who is giving the presentation, that person may be a key person who is giving the presentation, so that it is necessary, rather it is advisable that create a presentation which is planned for the business meeting. Then try to enhance the business opportunities on the basis of good presentation. Okay, presentation is means what? You are yourself a company. That a single video or that presentation can increase the business opportunities. It means if you are presenting, if there is a business meeting and the customer, the supplier with whom you are presenting, so it should be so attractive, so effective that after presentation within a 2 day or 3 day you must get the order from the supplier. It means what? Your presentation is successful, and that is why try to enhance the business opportunity on the basis of good presentation. The PowerPoint presentation which is presented in the form of videos should have a complete information regarding the company by which the presentation is going to be presented. Then the last is correct presentation can grow the earnings of the business. It means what? If the presentation is perfect, if the presentation is correct, okay, the exact idea, the information which was related to the business meeting, it is very perfect and accurate as per the business meeting, then that presentation is going to be 100% sure, and that is the reason that it can grow the earnings of the business. It means what? If your presentation is successful, you will get the order of say 10,000, 20,000. It means what? That presentation has helped the businessman to increase their earning, to increase their profit. Correct? So this is what exactly regarding the advantages or the features of MS PowerPoint. At the same time, use of PowerPoint presentation in business meeting, and hereby I announce that we have finished our unit 4, and we can see also that this is the last video of our syllabus unit number 4. By the time, keep studying. Anytime the dates of the exams can be announced, so be aware of your studies. Thank you. Take care. Be in touch with your studies.